everyone, so I decided to do my screencast on my patterns page. This page focuses on where to find easy patterns for when you're starting to crochet. So my main sections here focus on YouTube, which is this first section, and I have a crocheter that I usually follow on YouTube, and her page mainly focuses on free and fun patterns that you can do. Also, Yarnspirations, it's a website powered by Red Heart, which is a yarn company, and they offer a variety of patterns that you can choose from hats, scarves, and blankets. And then also Pinterest, Etsy, and Ravelry are also great websites to look at when you're first starting out, but you do have to pay for some of the patterns on Etsy and Ravelry. On the page, I also have an image that I got from Flickr that I edited, and then also I have my survey link up here. And then down here is just kind of a placeholder where I have my image detail screencast, but this video will be going right here once I'm done recording. So that's it. Thank you.